Welcome to the Weather Centre, where the morning starts off with fog along the west coast as well as along the eastern escarpment. It'll be a windy Thursday over parts of the northern Cape, with a mostly cloudy day and scattered thunderstorms over the eastern interior. Isolated thundershowers are expected over the eastern half of South Africa, with thunderstorms reaching the east coast on Thursday night. Cooler weather is forecast over the western part of the country, with the possibility of light rain or drizzle over the southern part of the Western Cape, mainly on Thursday night. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating, with runaway fires possible over the central Karoo. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see that band of scattered thunderstorms over the eastern interior between Mpumalanga and the Eastern Cape, with isolated thundershowers expected over the eastern half of the country, and we're expecting a 40% chance of light rain or drizzle over the southern part of the Western Cape, and that of course is mainly on Thursday night. Cape Town tops 26 degrees, 27 as we head into Vredendal and Port Elizabeth, just shy of 30 with a hot day in store for George and East London, 33 degrees for Bishu and Richards Bay. We head into the upper 20s over the northeastern part of South Africa with a warm Thursday in store, and Mahikeng and Dar can expect a high of 31. Along the west coast, we're expecting good beach conditions, especially once that morning fog lifts, with a moderate southerly wind for Alexander Bay and a moderate north-northwesterly wind between Namaqualand and Longabon, all turning to the southwest in the afternoon. Along the west coast, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 12 seconds. Poor beach conditions are expected in the southwest, with the possibility of light rain or drizzle, with a moderate north-northwesterly wind for Cape Town that becomes a southwesterly wind in the afternoon, with a light southwesterly wind for Hermanus, and in the southwest we'll see a 2-metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 11 seconds. Along the south coast, moderate beach conditions are expected for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, both with the possibility of light rain. We're forecasting a moderate southwesterly wind along the south coast, with good beach conditions for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, and a 2-metre southwesterly swell. Along the east coast, a fresh northeasterly wind is forecast between Richards Bay and East London, with wind speeds of between 30 and 35 kilometres per hour. We're expecting a 1.5-metre easterly swell at 9 seconds, with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet.